Hey everyone, my name is Ron, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Planning Center to streamline church management and scheduling. Whether you are new to Planning Center or just looking for a way to optimize your workflow, this tutorial will guide you for every step of the way. Now, by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to manage your church staff, volunteers, events, and communication all from one platform. So, before we get started, let's quickly talk about why Planning Center actually is. Right, so Planning Center is an all-in-one software so designed specifically for churches. It helps you manage everything from volunteers, scheduling, and event planning, and donation and communication. There are several apps with the Planning Center, such as the services, people, giving, check-ins, and more. For this tutorial, we will focus on two key apps, services, that is for scheduling, and people for managing. Now on the top right, you will see there's an option of pricing, right? So it is 30 days free. You can cancel anytime, right? And here you can see it include free with every plan. So for example, I want the calendar for 5 rooms, so the charges goes increase, right? This is for the checking, this is for the giving, and there's a lot more features here. You can also add a music stand for $5. Now once you're ready with it, just go and click on sign up in the bottom right side. Now here you have to just enter your phone number. You can see here this is your monthly total. Now let's just enter our phone number and just go and click on text me a code. So this is the way where you can just create an account on Planning Center, right? By the way, in the future, if you want to move to another plan, you can always go there because it's pretty simple to do. So here you have to just go to the planningcenter.com and click on sign up, right? Which you can see here on the top right. Now, if you've got ID, then just go and click on login and you will able to create an account. So once you have signed up, you will able to take into the dashboard where you can explore all the available apps. Don't feel overwhelmed, we will only focus on the essential. So now that we have set our account, let's start by adding and organizing your church member using the People app. So from the dashboard, click on the People app. To add a new people, just go and click on Add. So once you just go and click on People app, to add a new person, you have to just go and click on Add Person at the top right side corner, right? And fill in the details such as name, phone number, etc. You can also assign them to a group, such as a small group leader, a choir member. You can use tag to categorize people based on roles, ministries, and other criteria. For example, tag someone as a volunteer or elder. Tag makes it easier to filter and find specific group of people. You can also import existing member data by clicking on import and uploading a CSV file. This saves time if you already have a list of members. With the People app, you can also track attendance, send personalized email, and even integrate with the other app like MailChimp for broad church users. So that's a really nice thing here. Now let's move on to the Services app. So in the Services app, which is perfect for scheduling volunteers for services, events, and programs. So from the dashboard, you can just go and click on Services. Now create a new service plan by clicking on New Plan. Give it a name, that is a Sunday worship service, and choose the date. Add position to your service plan. Position represents roles like worship leader, sound technicians, greeter, and children ministry volunteer. You can assign volunteer for each position by searching for their name in the database. You can also send automated reminders to volunteer via email or text messages. Use the team templates features to save time. If you have recurring roles like worship leader, you can create templates and reuse them weekly, right? Now, one of the biggest challenge in church management is keeping everyone informed. Planning Center make communication really easy. There's an app which is called Messages, right? So inside you, if you just go to the Messages tab here, obviously, which is inside the services, right? And you can send messages to a group of people and volunteers and assign them a particular service. So in the People app, you can send newsletters or announcement, right? And volunteers can respond directly to those texts, making communication faster and more efficient. Use the check-in app to monitor attendance during service or events. This is especially helpful for care ministries. You can generate report in the People app to analyze trend over time. For example, which service has the highest attendance? Who hasn't attended recently? So these insights can help you identify areas for improvement and follow up with the inactive members. So if you're a church handle donation, the giving app is a game changer. So you can see here we have a separate application which is called giving. You can set up online giving so member can contribute digitally, track contribution by individual donors, funds or campaigns, generate year end statements automatically for tax purposes. This level of transparency build trust and encourage consistent giving. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to use Planning Center to streamline church management and scheduling. With tools like services, people, and giving, you can save time, reduce stress, and focus on what truly matters. That is, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.